Hello, in this video we're going to define a new term which is the terminal velocity. Let's check where this terminal velocity appears. If an object falls in a fluid, here the object is a ball. What are the forces acting on this ball? Its weight in the downwards direction and the frictional force coming from the viscosity of the fluid in the upwards direction. So at any instant, the resultant force on the object is its weight minus the frictional force on it. So when the object falls in this fluid, its velocity increases when its weight is greater than the frictional force. And then the object reaches a constant velocity. This constant velocity is reached when the frictional force on it is equal and opposite to its weight. This velocity is called its terminal velocity. Hence, the resultant force is zero, so when the frictional force is equal and opposite to the exerted weight, this gives a zero resultant force. And since the force is zero, this means that its acceleration is zero, because we know that the force is equal to the mass multiplied by the acceleration. This is from Newton's second law. So when the resultant force is zero, this means that the acceleration is zero. Also, another approach for the zero acceleration is that depending on the definition of acceleration, acceleration is the change in velocity over a given time. And since the velocity is constant, it's the terminal velocity, then there is no change in velocity as time passes, and this gives a zero change in velocity, hence zero acceleration. That's all. Thanks for watching.